Hello, Hoosiers. Attorney General Todd Rokita here, and I'm honored to be joined by Chad Wolf, the former Acting Secretary of Homeland Security and current Executive Director of the America First Policy Institute. We're announcing a new enforcement action my office is taking to eliminate local government policies in Indiana that give sanctuary to illegal aliens. I am bringing a lawsuit against the Indianapolis Public Schools over their policies that hamstring ICE's ability to keep our schools safe from criminal illegal aliens. And I'm pleased that the America First Policy Institute will be serving as special counsel in this case.
Well, that's right. AFPI is supporting your office, Attorney General, to help protect Hoosier communities. Sanctuary policies in schools put Indiana children and neighborhoods at risk. And we're here to tell you what we're doing about it and why it matters to every Hoosier.
You know, Indiana's anti-sanctuary law prohibits local government entities from restricting their cooperation with federal immigration authorities like ICE and from interfering with federal immigration enforcement. IPS currently maintains policies, unfortunately, that frustrate ICE's ability to do its job. It severely limits ICE's ability to access school grounds when necessary and prohibits IPS employees from assisting or sharing information with ICE. Now, those kinds of sanctuary policies are bad in any context, and they are especially troubling if they're in schools. Schools across the country have sometimes been infiltrated by criminal illegal aliens, and it is essential that ICE be able to take action when that occurs to help keep our kids safe. Now, that's why my office, with the assistance of AFPI, is filing a lawsuit against IPS to force them to comply so that they put Hoosiers first.
Schools are sacred places where our children should be safe and not places where illegal aliens should be shielded. We've seen it elsewhere, right? MS-13 gang members sitting in high school classrooms, or in Iowa, where we had a school superintendent who was an illegal alien and wanted for federal weapons charges. It's happening across the country, and it's something that we don't want to allow to happen right here in Indiana.
So the risks posed by sanctuary policies in Indiana schools are not hypothetical. Just this January, IPS interfered with ICE's efforts to deport a student whose father had already voluntarily agreed to leave the country. That is exactly the kind of interference with federal immigration enforcement that Indiana's anti-sanctuary law is meant to stop. The anti-sanctuary law gives my office the authority to sue any local entity that obstructs ICE, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're fighting to make sure our schools are places of learning, not lawlessness.
And so the America First Policy Institute backs Indiana's stand because we believe in protecting communities. We believe in starting with our kids. When schools like IPS defy the law, they're not just ignoring ICE, they're inviting risk that hurt families, from increased crime to broken trust. So we're proud to support Attorney General Rokita in this lawsuit to hold IPS accountable and to keep our schools safe.
You know, we warned IPS to stop these sanctuary policies or face the consequences in court. They didn't listen. But we're proud to have AFPI as our partner in this effort. Their legal expertise and commitment to American sovereignty will help my office keep Hoosiers safe. Thank you.